If you keep blowing your trades, it's not because you're bad at this. It's because you're doing exactly what the majority does and expecting different results. MaxBot here, and I help traders break out of the cycle of frustration, overtrading, and self-doubt. Because let's be honest, it's not the strategy that's failing you. It's how you apply it, how you size it, and how you think about risk. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to stop surviving and start building. By the way, I have implemented a smart bot in my work process, which monitors the market, indicators, and gives recommendations. Take the bot for free and forever. You can get it within a month. Link in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages. He will tell you everything. I started work. Euro to forint OTC, 5 minutes. The bot said lower. Price has reached an overbought point, and that should help me. Yes, the price may hit a resistance zone and the price will bounce off it. I allow moments of growth within the flat, but the overall momentum should play into the hands of the bears in a 5-minute range. Friends, don't miss out on cool new content and insights. Click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment. We need your feedback. Now, I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. When I first started, I thought I had it all figured out. I was watching the charts day and night, chasing setups, taking trades like I was invincible. But 1 week, 3 trades, 3 losses, and I wiped 40% of my deposit. Why? Because I had no structure, no system, no risk management. I was entering with 10, 20% of my account at a time, all emotion, no discipline. It felt like I was driving at full speed with no brakes and no map. Let me break it to you. The #1 reason most traders fail isn't the market. It's poor risk control. They chase profits with oversized positions and zero exit plans. They trade out of fear, out of revenge, out of hope, and the market doesn't reward any of that. It rewards structure. It rewards repetition. It rewards restraint. Here's what works. Limit every trade to 1 to 2% of your deposit. Yes, it feels small. It feels slow. But small and consistent beats fast and reckless every time. Second, learn your market. Don't just look at indicators. Look at behavior. Study when volume enters, how pairs react to news, and where the zones of liquidity sit. Third, track every trade. Why you entered, what went right, what went wrong. Patterns don't just live on the chart. They live in your decision making. Now, if this sounds overwhelming, I get it. That's exactly why I built a Signal Assistant. It's not some magic solution. It doesn't trade for you. It highlights clean technical setups based on structure, trend, and volume, so you can focus on managing risk and making clear decisions. No more second guessing, no more noise. And right now, it's completely free. If you grab it this month, you'll get it forever. After that, it's moving to a paid model. So if you're watching this, now is your window. Links in the description. So I've finalized the first deal. It was awesome. Now the new signal is lower down. The investment is 1%. Yes, a big advantage of the bot is its ability to handle over-the-counter trading. It's willing to help you even at night, even on weekends. I see areas of declining highs on historical data. Yes, in the past minutes, sellers have gradually started to increase their influence on the market again. They have started to increase volumes more actively, and this has affected the very near-term outlook. I think that the price decline will take place within the framework of sideways movement. The bulls will sometimes improve their positions, but not for long. These are my thoughts within the 5-minute expiration time frame. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There's a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with education. To chat about education, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with education for all participants. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Last Thursday, the assistant flagged a clean opportunity on URJPY. Momentum was lining up. Structure was clean. I entered at 1.8% risk based on my balance. Price moved as expected. Result: controlled, calculated, consistent. It wasn't a home run, but I didn't need one because I'm not swinging wild anymore. Again, the assistant is free now. One click, no forms, no gimmicks. Once the month is over, you'll need a paid subscription to access it. So if you want this tool for life, grab it now before it's closed. If you found this helpful, hit like. Subscribe if you want more no-nonsense breakdowns, and jump into the Telegram. That's where we post real-time updates, setups, and behind-the-scenes content. Now tell me in the comments, how are you managing risk? What indicators do you trust most? What's been your biggest turning point in trading? Drop it below. Let's learn from each other. Look, I know traders who walked away from stable jobs. They didn't have an edge at first. They didn't have all the answers, but they committed. They followed structure, and now they're living off this. Not flashy, not overnight, but sustainable. Trading is risk. Just like building a business, but risk with structure becomes strategy, and strategy gives you leverage. If you're trading $100, you're working with $1 to $2 per position. It's enough to learn. But if you want to grow, scale up. $1,000 gives you $8 per clean move. Same time, same setup, better return. Before you enter any trade, ask, where's the volume? What's the reaction at the last high or low? What time of day is it? Did you log your last 5 trades? This is how professionals think. Not how much can I win, but what's my risk and does this fit my system? So I've finished the job, folks. The results are on the screen in front of you. Subscribe, click the bell, get MaxBot for free and forever. It gets better from here.